Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix switch to youtube.com error on YouTube. Now to fix this issue, there are multiple ways. The first way is to simply go and open the settings of your phone and go and search for apps. Click on apps right here, then tap on manage apps, and now you will have to search for YouTube, then click on it like this, and now go to storage, then click on clear data right here and click on clear cache, click on OK. And this is the first method to fix the issue. Now you can simply go and try to open YouTube and see if your issue is fixed or not. And the second way is to simply hold on YouTube and uninstall the application. Click on this eye icon, then click on uninstall updates right here, or uninstall the whole application by clicking on these three dots on the top, and you will find here an option called install, or just uninstall all the updates. Then go back and open Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using, then search for YouTube itself and check if you have any updates for YouTube. Just click on update right here, and once you update the YouTube, all your issues will be fixed. And another thing that you can actually do is to go back and try to restart your phone, and once you restart your phone, go back and check if the issue is fixed or not, and probably you'll find out that the issue is fixed and you can watch YouTube without any problems. So now I'm going to open it, and here I do not actually have any problem when using YouTube. So now I have everything gone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.